Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. I absolutely love my Hydraflow. This is my go-to cup. I really like the fact that it has a couple different ways that you can drink from it. It has the sipping spout here in the front, and then it also comes with a straw. And you can put the straw in the middle or in the sip spout, which is what I prefer because I like the way it's angled. I really like the heavy-duty handle on this. I can easily carry it. And it's not going to break on you if you drop it. It is a very thick plastic. I also like that this does not sweat and it keeps my drink cold all day. It says 12 hours of cold, but I've actually left this all day and overnight and my ice is not melted in it by the morning. So if you're looking for a great tumbler to take with you to the gym, out and about, I highly recommend this one. One of my favorite features, I hope you'll like this too, is that it fits in the cup holder of your car. And we all know how important that is, that these things aren't rolling around in the car. And so I would say that this has been such a great fit for me, a great purchase, and I 10 out of 10 recommend, but that's just my point of view.